beginning our review video for Chapter 7, Section 8, 7.8, and the learning target for today is to look at or define the lateral and total surface areas of pyramids this time. All right, so we got to do a few terms here. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon, and the slant height is the altitude or height of each lateral face of a pyramid. So along the face of the pyramid, how high is it? The equation here, we've still got the same basic equation. It is the perimeter times the height, this time the slant height, but this time we have to take it times 1/2. 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. The slant height will give me the lateral surface area. Of course, the total surface area is the lateral surface area plus the base, the area of the base, and in this case there is only one base, so it's just the area of the base. Well, let's jump right into an example. Here we've got find the lateral and total surface areas of the regular triangular pyramid. Well, as I look at this, I'm going to find the area of this triangle here. Before I do that, wait a minute, I'm going to find the perimeter. It's 5 plus 5 plus 5 across the back. So the perimeter, the lateral height is equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. So it's 1/2 of 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 15, times the slant height, which is 8. So 1/2 times 1/2 times 15 would be 7.5. 7.5 times 8. And I'm going to do that on my calculator. It'd be about 60. Let me find out for sure here. 7.5 times 8 equals, yes, 60. 60. So the lateral surface area of this triangle is 60. To that, I of course want to add the area of the base part of the triangle. And the base part of the triangle, they tell me, is 10.8 square inches. So plus 10.8 inches squared. So the total surface area is 70.8 inches squared. 70.8 inches squared. All right, let's go on to another example. Find the total surface area of the square pyramid. The square pyramid indicates that it has a square on the bottom. All right, square pyramid, and we're asked to find the total surface area. So I'm going to find the lateral surface area first. The lateral surface area is 1/2 times the perimeter, which would be 6 on a side. So it'd be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 24 is my perimeter, times the slant height, which is 10. All right. So the lateral surface area of those 4 triangles would be 1/2 times 24, which would be 12, times 10, which would be 120 centimeters squared. That would be the lateral surface area. I'm asked to find the total surface area, so I need to find the area of the rectangle that's the base and add that to it. The rectangle that's the base, of course, would be 6 times 6, because it's a square. 6 times 6 is 36 centimeters squared. So 120 plus 36 is 156 centimeters squared. So it's 156 centimeters squared. Letter A looks to be the correct answer. A toy block has the shape of a regular pyramid, which means it's a square, with a square base. The manufacturer wants to paint the lateral surfaces green. The lateral surface is green. How many square centimeters will be painted? So he wants to paint the 4 triangles that make up the pyramid. So the lateral surface area is 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height, which they use the symbol L for. So the perimeter here is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 28. The perimeter is 28, so it's 1/2 times 28 times the slant height of 8. So 1/2 times 28 becomes 14. 14 times 8 would be 80 plus 32, so that would be 80 plus 32 would be 112 centimeters squared. 112 centimeters squared. All right, please do this one and see if we come up with the same answer. Pause the video when you have it ready, restart the video, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to find the lateral surface area. It just says the toy block has the shape of a regular pyramid with a square base. The manufacturer wants to paint the lateral surfaces green. How many square centimeters will be painted green? Well, the lateral surface area is equal to 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. All right, so the perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 are 40. 1/2 times 40 times the lateral height of 13. All right, so 40 times 1/2 would be 20. 20 times 13 would be 260 centimeters squared. 260 centimeters squared would be my lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Thank you.